Today I have an exciting video for all the Tesla owners and all car owners. This is a fantastic way to keep your car fresh and to have that nice aroma in your car while driving.
Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop. Can't stop, won't stop.
Tesla vehicles typically have a ventless system, which means the airflow is unique compared to other cars, which makes it more difficult for us Tesla owners to find really good quality air freshener. The manufacturers out there got creative and they've created a bunch of new options that I really like, that I wanted to share with you folks out there as to what would work really well in your Tesla vehicle. First company I have here, and I'm sure you folks have seen this one before, it's actually a really unique air freshener in the sense that I've seen it on Tesla promo videos, and I was looking for what is that air freshener, where did they get that from. And this is the packaging for this air freshener, and it's a hidden aromatic therapy. So that's basically what it has on the packaging. You can see the design here. It's actually a wood finish, and it has basically clips that just goes directly into they actually give you an illustration on how to insert it. So basically you have your vents there, and then you just put the clips along the vent. Recommended to have 2 of these. When you open the little package here, once you pop it out, this is what it looks like. So you get 2 of these, and when you buy it, this is exactly what it looks like. It has this wood veneer finish on it, and you have these little like clips that actually goes directly into the vent. And when you smell it, it has this really fresh wooden rustic smell, but it's not like overwhelming. So over the course of time, that scent will actually keep your car nice and fresh. So it's not like it's overwhelming and it'll die down really fast. It just keeps your car nice and fresh. So this is what it looks like, folks. It is a wooden stick. Really, this scent on this wooden stick reminds me of camping. So if you're going camping and you have these wooden sticks and you have your Tesla in a camping mode, this will make it very cozy when you are camping. I do absolutely love this, and it smells just amazing, just right with the Tesla. Design is so simple, so minimalist. So the next air freshener that I have is this one here called Sexy Scent. And basically the packages say air freshener refill sticks, and this is good for the Tesla Model Y and Model X, and it says it lasts up to 4 weeks. So basically this is quite simple. I'm not sure which one I prefer. I do like this concept. This is what it looks like. This is the actual design of it. So you have these little vents on both sides, and basically it disappears into the interior. So once you put it on the vent, it simply just disappears into the interior. And you have the cartridge here. You pop the end open, and then you have the cartridge here that you can always refill. This will last for 3 weeks, and the scent that I have is called green tea scent, and it does smell really nice. This is actually more stronger than the wood scented, but really cool design. So you basically pop this open inside your cartridge, and simple, elegant. You close this up right here, and then you stick this along the vent. The cool thing about this one here, because it's more strong, you actually only need 1 in your Tesla. So unlike the wooden air freshener where you require 2 to maintain that nice aromatic scent in your car, this one you only require 1. So that is an added benefit, and this is actually a little bit cheaper. It sells about $24 from Amazon, and it's called the Sexy Scent air freshener. So alright, so there you go, folks. 2 high quality, highly recommend air freshener for the Tesla Model Y and Model 3. I will have a link to purchase these 2 air freshener in the description below. Check it out. Highly recommend. Like I've said before, the wooden air freshener is mostly for special occasion. It's always good to have, but for everyday use, highly recommend the Sexy Scent air freshener. Both of them are awesome. I would highly recommend having both of them as a choice in your car, rather than having All those other air fresheners that are alcohol, that has alcohol inside and tends to dry up the ear a lot more. These ones don't. These are actually beneficial for the Tesla because you have so much more options, and the design is just fantastic. That's it for the video. Please like, subscribe if you're new to this channel. I have a ton of Tesla accessory and tech review products on this channel. Check that out. Love to have you stay on this channel, and hit the like option, leave a comment below, and turn on the bell notifications so you're notified on all my latest video for Tesla or product reviews. Stay safe, folks. We'll see you on the next video.